Hello, good evening to you all. Today, I will explain what is Google Merchant Center, whether it is a paid service or a free service, and few questions I'll try to clarify or try to clear. Even though you can research online and you can get to know, but I received few comments asking me like what is exactly Google Merchant Center and how it will be useful for the vendors or the merchants who want to sell their products online. For example, if you have a store, physical store offline, and you want to get into the online presence, this is the best place. See, I am telling you this from the official website of the Google itself. I am not using any third party websites or somewhere information, but is this Google for retail? See here, this is the website of the Google. What is Google Merchant Center? Merchant Center is a free tool that helps millions of shoppers on Google discover. Because when you create a merchant account, when you publish your products, for example, if you have a grocery store, you can put this grocery store on this Google Merchant Center where your products will be shown on the Google subproducts like Google search, YouTube videos, or see here, where will my products show up? So the Google official is saying something like, once your products are added, means once you create this account, your products will be shown on Google Maps, Google Search, YouTube, Google Shopping tab, and Google Images, etc. So this we as and you can ask whether it is a paid service or free. This is absolutely free. See here, it is absolutely free of cost. So what is the prerequisite for you to join this program, Google Merchant Center? It is nothing but just you need to have a offline store with some products to sell to the customers, a boutique, a grocery store, or a something, a product you will sell to the customer. The same products you can keep it on the Google Merchant Center. So you need to have a Gmail account. With the Gmail account, you can sign up for Google Merchant account. Once you're eligible, you can add the products, and that's it. Google will show up these products on their platforms, and if any customer, and you need to have a website or something like that where the customers can buy, because Google will redirect those customers to your website or the shopping cart, so that you get the purchases and your visibility to millions of users is possible through Google Merchant Center. So if you feel this information is helpful, please do hit a like and share it to others so that it may be useful to many of the people just like you. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.